ties, caps, stringers, any maintenance really.
Basically all the groundwork, anything else that needs to get done in between.
To put it into perspective, we see each other more than we see our own families. So you start to develop that relationship. You care about the person working next to you.
We all watch each other's back. We don't want somebody to go home hurt. It's a habit.
We learn to work with each other. We know when somebody's having a bad day, and so, you can feed off of everybody's energy. We have a good time, but we're also working safe.
The work's not really hard, it just gets hot.
Days that exceed 105, 110 degrees out there.
You gotta want to be out there and do it.
Kind of like an adrenaline for us sometimes. We get out there, let's go.
There's not a moment that I can't pick up the phone and call, and these guys are just Johnny on the spot.
Yes, when Brandon calls, we're ready. We're always ready.
Let's get to the job and, assess the situation, see if we're able to do it safe, and then just come up with a plan and attack it.
We traveling somewhere and like, oh shoot, look, there's a bridge that we did some work on. And it's awesome to see that whatever we fixed or replaced, it's still there.
We've left a legacy behind, and we've got the railroad running at max velocity. It's a relentless group. There's nothing too big, there's nothing too small. They've always come prepared to make the railroad a better place.